This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Betting time's open. Well, where's that cash hunt? Where's the crazy time on the coin flip? And we, of course, would love to see that at Pachinko also. So, fingers crossed for some good luck. Bets are close. Good luck. Here we go. Mama check, bring a lot of boys to the yard. Do 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 do. Some boys play like da 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 da. 7x on that coin flip. Good luck. Woo! Come on. Come on. Woo! Very nice. We got coin flip with 7x. All right, everybody. Ooh, I hope this will be a good one. 7x top slot on coin flip. All right, show us what you've got.
This is the amount of money issued 826,650 euros.
5x on the red side and 175x on the blue. Oh, come on, blue. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, we got the blue with 175x. Yay! That deserves some applause. 8,803 winners. Congratulations, Baron, Monimo, and Dill. Top winners. Woo! Wow.
90 winners. Good job. And guys, if you're new here, welcome to the crazy time. Hi, I'm Gabby. Gonna be here with you for a couple more rounds. Hopefully, it's gonna be a wonderful time together. Mine is pancake. Wait, what kind of pancakes? There's so many different kinds. Or you mean like because you can make so many different ones? Ooh, a 50x on number 1 from the top slot. Okay. Pizza's great. Yes! I could eat pizza at any time of the day, honestly. I could eat it like 3 days in a row for sure. Oh, we have another pachinko. Hold up. Whoa! Wow. It's another pachinko. Are you ready, kids? Are you ready, kids? Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? No, I'm just kidding. All right, we're going to start with a 7x here. A 10, 15, 20, 40, 100, and a double. What? No 800x this time? I'm just kidding. All right, what do we have? This is where we drop. Boom, here we go. Go. Oh, could be a double maybe? I would love that. Oh, guys. We're just getting everything we can. 200x now, the highest multi. I'm feeling this. Can we do it every single time? Wait, where do we? Oh, yeah, here. Same spot? Isn't that the same spot? Okay, here we go. We go. Wait, hold on. Wait for me. Hey!
This is the amount of money issued 1,815,649 euros.
What is this? I'm sorry, I feel like crying. More than 11,000 winners. Good job, guys. Oh my days. This is definitely the craziest session I have ever seen. Guys, bets are close. Good luck.
Beautiful 40x multiplier. 40x also nice. But told you. I mean, you said it would be nice. Or you knew it's going to be 40x. You knew it, sir? Suspicious. How did you know? If you're going to be a streamer one day, I will be your first follower tip. But oh, amazing! Thank you, Broski. Fox and Crazy Time. I'll nominate you as the mod. Wait, the chat mod. Hold on a minute, can we? Crazy? Hey, guys, look at that. That is a Crazy Time right there. But you know what? There's also a beautiful gift. A 5x. Who would have known a number could be so exciting? Wow. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Yeah. Here we go, everybody. Crazy time with a beautiful top slot opportunity. Nice. Hey, there's a triple. Triple, everybody. You see that? Wow. Amazing, guys. All right, now the explosion time. 5x on top of everything. On everything. And there it goes. Boom. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Penguins. Penguins. Hey, hey. Green, blue, yellow, everybody. Choose your color, flopper, situation. Oh. All right, guys. Here it goes. Here we go. You ready? 1,000x is the maximum. Best of luck to all of you guys. Let's do this thing.
This is the amount of money issued 700,393 euros.
All right, 125x is on green and blue. GG. All right, 8,281 minutes right down with a top win 18.9 thousand euros. Beautiful. A little bit salty, could have been better, but still beautiful. Well, green and blue. Good luck, everybody.
1,773 winners. Was the top slot 50x for 800x? No, the top slot was actually only 4x. It was 4x on Pachinkos. The 50x we got later on Crazy Time. We got 50, 50, and 50x. Right after that Pachinko, by the way. It was right after the next round. We have 2x on a 10 from a top slot. Yeah, good job, guys. Let's see what we have here, shall we? Oh! Oh! We got another Crazy Time. Hello. Let's go in. Well, hello there again. The last Crazy Time was 50, 50, and 50x. Let's see what we could get this time, shall we? Guys, we have some beautiful colors there. You have to choose which one's going to be yours. Because we have the green, we have the blue, we have the yellow. We're big, exactly. Guys, highest multiplier, 100x. Boink. Good luck, everybody. Let's see what you can get. Bang. We got double. I hope you managed to join us on this wonderful Crazy Time round. So let's double everything for the green friends, and good luck to you. 200x now is the highest multi. Bam! Let's go! We have another double for the green one. Hello? What is going on? Let's double the fun again. You know what? 400x now is the highest multiplier. Here we go. Let's see what we can get here.
This is the amount of money issued to 1,012,996 euros.
Another one. What is it? Wait, what is going on? I mean, thank you. Highest multiplier. Okay, it's gonna be 800x now. Let's do it from the other side. Boink. Good luck, everybody. Winners. Guys, place the bets, place the bets, place the bets. Let's get this wheel up and moving for you. Anyway, how are you doing? Well, thanks for asking. I'm actually doing pretty good, I would say. Yeah, I'm doing great. What am I saying? I'm doing perfect. 4x and Pachinko from a top slot. How are you? How have you been during this time that we haven't talked, I guess? Suppose it's been a long time, right? Oh, look what we got! Hold up, look what we got. Guys, if you just joined us here, you joined at the very right time. Well, this is gonna be lovely. What a 5x. 7, 10, 15, 20, 50, and 200. And of course, a 4x from the top slot. Yeah! 800, that is the highest multi. Okay. Oh, I would cry if we could get it. Okay, where do we drop? Quite close to it. Here we go. I'm running down. Hold up. Oh, I'm so excited. Wait up. 800. Here we come.
This is the amount of money issued 5,105,880 euros.
Oh, yes! Oh, yes! 800x, baby! Easy! Look at that! 200,000 is the highest win! Wow. Okay, chill, guys, okay? No way. That was... I have goosebumps.
Well done, winners, well done. But I gotta ask. Any cute foreign guys, cat? From the races and stuff. Did you break any hearts? The 4x on that crazy time. Maybe not this time, maybe. Maybe. For sure that was not it. But this time we've got, another top slot win. And it's that win that everybody likes is that 4x crazy time together in a crazy world. Here we go, here we go, here we go. The big wheel with the big multipliers, and they're about to get even bigger. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Boom! The 4x applied and the green, blue, yellow flappers are up for choosing or something. Yeah, you know what time it is. It is time for you to get that 400x. Good luck. It's already that 400 for yellow. Team green, infinite double, please. Come on, you know what that is. It's 800x over there. Get that. Good luck. Oh, yes. More double team green. Impress me. How high can you go? How high can you go, ladies and gentlemen? I mean, 1600x hiding on that wheel. Find it, find it. Ain't no stopping the doubles. Oh, Team Green, that 1600 turned into 3200. Yeah, 3000. 3200 maximum for now. Good luck. What's going on? What's going on, Team Green? I mean, I know it's double, but what's going on? I mean, I'm a bit mind blown over here because I see over there a 6400x. Please make it happen.
This is the amount of money issued: 273,919 euros.
How about that? It is called the biggie. The biggie that was. I mean, it was 400.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.